Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Sierra Leone? Let's explore. Construction provides many jobs in Sierra Leone, particularly in urban development. The average annual gross salary is about $3,600 or around $300 per month. After taxes, the yearly income is about $3,100 or $260 per month. Where you work makes a difference. In larger cities like Freetown, salaries are usually higher. In rural areas, the pay tends to be much lower. Experience affects earnings. Entry-level workers might earn about $2,400 per year, while experienced workers can make up to $5,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.